If you had unlimited wealth, where would you allocate it? Sprawling estates, private jets, or perhaps a collection of rare art? But what about a 7-star hotel that hovers above the ocean? One that you can take anywhere in the world. Welcome back to Ownership Ledger. Today, we are looking at a masterpiece that pushes the absolute boundaries of engineering, design, and imagination, Kismet. But this is not your average luxury vessel. This is the new sovereign of the oceans, a ship that leaves even billionaires speechless. At 122 meters in length, it is one of the most exclusive mega yachts on the planet. Hidden within its sleek hull are cascading waterfalls, winter gardens, an underwater viewing lounge, and a cinematic experience that rivals commercial theaters. Today, we are unlocking the doors to this floating palace, usually reserved for the world's elite. We will explore how she was built, the staggering features hidden inside, and the true cost of operating a vessel of this magnitude. Sit back and let's step aboard Kismet. In the upper echelons of yachting, the name Kismet carries a legendary echo. The previous 95-meter iteration was already an icon, but her owner had a simple directive: make it bigger, make it better, and make it flawless. He returned to the legendary German shipyard, Lürssen. The result? This 122-meter Titan, which finally met the water in 2024. The exterior of this colossal structure was penned by Nouvellari Léonard, a studio known as the rock stars of yacht design. When you look at her profile, she doesn't just look like a ship. She resembles a sleek, predatory cat slicing through the sea. This aggressive yet elegant stance is crowned by a striking silver jaguar figurehead standing proudly at the bow. Let's talk numbers. She is 122 meters long. That is roughly the length of 1.5 football fields. She boasts a beam of 17.8 meters and an immense volume of roughly 4,900 gross tons. This staggering volume means she isn't just a marine vessel. She is an engineered microcosm. The interior, crafted by Raymond Langton Design, was executed with an unprecedented level of detail. But before we step inside, let's explore the paradises created on her exterior decks. Reaching Kismet doesn't require ordinary transport. You can arrive via your private helicopter, touching down on the fully certified helipad located on the upper deck. The moment you step out, you enter a world where the ocean breeze meets uncompromising luxury. The exterior spaces are meticulously curated to offer a different experience for every hour of the day. One of the most striking features is the massive pool situated on the aft deck. But this is no standard pool. It features a glass bottom, filtering natural sunlight and the soothing ripples of the water down into the deck below. Right next to the pool, you'll find a bespoke outdoor bar and a fully integrated DJ booth for evening entertainment. For those wanting to be closer to the water, the lower aft section houses an expansive beach club. Massive hydraulic platforms fold out to the sides and the rear, transforming the yacht into your own private island in the middle of the sea. Here, a fleet of the latest jet skis, sea bobs, dive gear, and custom-built million-dollar tenders await to whisk guests ashore. As evening falls, you can retreat to the winter garden on the upper decks. Gather around the open fire pit under the stars, while your private chef prepares a Michelin-starred tasting menu. If Kismet's exterior impressed you, her interior will simply take your breath away. Stepping inside, you are greeted by a sweeping dual-deck main staircase that is an architectural work of art. The walls are adorned with rare marbles sourced from around the globe, handcrafted wood paneling, and delicate gold leaf accents. Kismet is designed to accommodate between 12 to 20 guests like royalty. But the true crown jewel is the master suite. Visual. Inside the master cabin. Double-height ceilings, massive panoramic windows, the bed, private jacuzzi, and the dedicated office space. Voiceover. The owner's suite is the size of a luxury penthouse apartment. This expansive living area features panoramic ocean views, a private jacuzzi, his and hers dressing rooms, and a private office. Without ever leaving your bed, a single button press draws back the curtains to reveal the endless horizon. So, who holds the keys to this marvel of engineering? The proud owner of Kismet is the Pakistani-American billionaire, Shahid Khan. He is the owner of the NFL's Jacksonville Jaguars and the English football club, Fulham FC. Having built his fortune in the automotive parts industry, Khan's passion for sports and super yachts is well documented, which explains the striking Jaguar figurehead on the bow and the subtle club motifs hidden throughout the vessel. But Khan doesn't just keep this vessel to himself. Kismet is available on the global charter market, positioning itself as one of the most expensive charter yachts in the world. So, what does it cost to experience this lifestyle for just 1 week? Brace yourself. The starting price to charter Kismet is roughly 3 million euros per week. Yes, 3 million. And that base rate does not include food, fine wines, fuel, or the customary gratuity for the 40-person crew. When you factor in all the operating expenses, a 1-week vacation can easily exceed 4 million euros. World-renowned celebrities like Beyoncé and Jay-Z have chartered the previous iteration of Kismet. This new masterpiece targets an even more exclusive clientele. Despite her colossal size and uncompromising luxury, Kismet is not a relic of the past. The engineers at Lürssen designed her with the future in mind. Kismet features a highly advanced hybrid powertrain. She can glide silently in full electric mode, allowing her to enter protected and sensitive bays without leaving a heavy footprint, and without disturbing guests with engine vibration or noise. Through a highly intelligent energy management system, the waste heat from her generators is captured and repurposed to heat the massive swimming pools and interior spaces. With a staggering range of roughly 6,000 nautical miles, she can cross oceans without needing to refuel. You could travel continuously from the warm waters of the Mediterranean all the way to the deep Caribbean without ever stopping. The 122-meter Kismet is not just a mode of transportation. She is a testament to what human intellect, extreme engineering, and an unlimited budget can create on the water. A floating palace, a private island, and undeniably, the new legend of the seas. If you had the funds, would you commission the build of a super yacht like this? Or would chartering Kismet for a few million a week be enough? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to continue unlocking the secrets of the billionaire lifestyle and the true realities of owning these magnificent vessels, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Ownership Ledger. Until the next masterpiece, farewell.